Hello everyone, John here again. Just to talk about some features at Khan Academy. I'm here at the login page, so I'm going to log in. Well, that took a little while to load, but it finally did. This is my home page, and these are the missions I am working on. For our class, we'll be working on the mission called Arithmetic, and I'll show you how to set that up so you can find it. Often, when you start at Khan, you have to scroll upward in order to make the subjects appear. If you click here, we're going to be concentrating on math at Khan Academy, but they do have many other subjects you can see on the left here. Many different things. One that people preparing for the GED might be interested in is under test prep. They don't have a GED category, but this is the California High School Equivalency Examination. Could be very useful. It's a series of videos where Sal Khan, the founder of Khan Academy, reviews about 100 problems that are similar to what we would see on the GED. So if you want to do that, you can do that. But back to the math program. Arithmetic is right here, and it shows a percentage of how much of that mission you've completed. So when you start, it will be at 0, and then you'll work to 100%. I've completed the arithmetic and pre-algebra missions, and then I've got some others going. All of math, that's all of the math they have at Khan Academy. I've got almost 60%. So this term I hope to get the arithmetic, have everyone finish the arithmetic mission, and it's a good starting place for everyone. There's lots of review, and if it's hard, you can come back to, these are grade levels, U.S. system, 8th through 3rd grade, and there's a K through 2 section. So these programs are getting in line with the Common Core, which is new education method. But if you need to review, it's fine. Come back to any level where you feel you're learning and you want to push yourself a little bit. We'll all try this one first, arithmetic. If it doesn't work, we'll just back up a little, and if it seems too slow, I'd still like to have you try to complete it and then move on to others. If it seems easy, you can move ahead more quickly. So just click on that, and that will load that into your home page. And you can see, because I've completed 100%, I have this little marquee that says I've mastered arithmetic. So you'll get one of those when you finish yours. Down here are the skills for arithmetic, and there are 180. And so if you mouse over these, mine are all dark blue because they've been mastered, and they start gray in this color, and then as you practice they get darker and darker blue. Mission foundations, these are basic skills. Addition and subtraction for this level, multiplication and division, decimals, fractions, telling time. So some of these seem very basic, and others are a little more complicated. Telling time with numbers, without numbers. Doing fractions, some of these may look a little bit scary. Comparing values, decimals. These are the things that we'll be working on in class and then doing at Khan Academy. And the idea being that everyone will be earning at least 5,000 energy points a week. You can pick one of these and give it to yourself, self-assigned. Okay, I want to work on measurement precision. And you just click, and it will add these to your list. Your assignments come here, and then if you want to work on something, you can click that, and it will open up the problems like this. Also, after we have scanned your exams, your CASAS tests, I will make recommendations to you based on those results, and you will see recommendations from me coming up in this. And while you're working on a mission, the problems from that mission will come up automatically. So if you just come to this page and start, you'll be working on your mission. If you need to switch missions, or you find that arithmetic is challenging or not challenging enough, you can come back up here and add another one. And some people like to jump around. You might want to do pre-algebra or geometry, algebra. For the GED, we're looking at arithmetic as a review, pre-algebra, Algebra 1, and Geometry. Those would be the main areas. They've got a place here for recreational math, some fun videos if you enjoy math topics, and all of math is, you can take a look at that and see, there are about 800, let's see, what is it, 872 skills, 73 skills, and they're just in a big block like this. So the gray ones I haven't started, and the dark blue ones I've mastered. Here's a light blue one, so that one's just practice. So I need to work on that. After you've been working for a while, they'll offer you a mastery challenge, which is a place where you can level up many of these at the same time, so it's efficient. These come up like once a day, like I think every 16 hours. So they like to think you study for a while and then you rest and then you come back, and it helps you retention. So these are some of the features. At Khan Academy, we'll be working on the arithmetic mission. So set that up on your account and work on it till you get to 100%. All right, more later.